Well, I'm Curt Werner. I'm the fourth generation with Werner Service Trucking, and this is my wife,
Lisa. We've been married for 36 years, and I've worked in the business since 1991.
We came back into the business in 1987, but I grew up in the business most of my life. We left St. Ed for 4 or 5 years and then came back in 1987, so it's been about 32 years that we've been actually running the business. My great-granddad and my granddad started the business back in the 30s, and they started out with a gas station in our present location here, and then they added some trucks. They started hauling with some straight trucks. They hauled coal, cobs, some livestock, anything that they could haul. They bought hogs here in St. Edward at a hog buying station, and so then they purchased trucks to haul the hogs. They went to San Antonio, they went all over the United States. In the 90s, as the livestock business changed and everything changed, I guess, kind of in the rural communities, we started hauling different products. The ethanol plants came into the area, so we started hauling byproducts to the ethanol plants, and then changed our business of not so much livestock, but more of some tank products and belt trailers and just tried to diversify into different things. We're going to sell all of our trucks. We have 12 trucks that we're selling. We have some that are day cabs with lift axles. We have some with lift axles that have sleepers on them, and then we have just regular conventional type trucks. Also with that, we're selling all of our trailers. We're selling our tank trailers, belt trailers, livestock trailers, and some van trailers. And the sale's going to be September 18th, and so we're looking forward to that. So we had a lot of employees that were here for a lot of years. We had a lot of people that were here for 30, 40 years and retired from our company, and were very dedicated, and was really probably our best story is our employees.